Welcome back. This is going to be a really quick video on how to change your pulleys, your tensioner, and your belt in under 5 minutes. Thanks for visiting Photo Finish Garage. So this is my 2010 Ford F150. This is a 4.6 liter 3-valve motor. These directions will be the same for the 5.4 as well. What we're going to be doing today is replacing all 3 of our pulleys, which is the third one's on the tensioner. The reason being is I am getting a noise from these pulleys on startup. I'm also going to do the belt while I'm here. You can see some areas of wear right there in the belt. So really all you need is a 1/2 inch ratchet to put in here to loosen your tensioner. You'll need a size 10 to release these 3 bolts, and you'll need a size 13 for your 2 pulleys, or excuse me, your 3 pulleys, plus well, the pulley is going to stay here. Parts we're going to be using today are right here. The brand I ordered from Rock Auto is called Littens. I've seen this brand before on BMWs, so I'm familiar with the brand. Instructions are going to be the same whether you use this brand or any other brand. You'll see you're going to need 2 small pulleys. 2 smooth pulleys and 1 ribbed pulley, and then this one's smooth as well. And of course that setup is based on 2 smooth pulleys and a ribbed pulley down there. Step 1, release the tension from your belt. Go ahead and pull your belt off. If you get confused on the diagram on the routing, just look up on your hood and you'll see it right there. Next, loosen up your idler and remove. Reinstall new idler. Remove pulley number 3, the ribbed one. Reinstall. Remove tensioner, size 10. Reinstall. Now route your belt according to your diagram. Loosen your tensioner, and I'm going to be grabbing. I won't be able to do it with both hands, but you'll see it in a minute. There you go. I pulled it up, wrapped it around the alternator. So remember, follow your diagram and you will not run into any trouble. Thanks for watching.